Okay everyone, let's try and solve other 5 exercise. Iterate over dictionary. What does it mean? Write a Python program to iterate over the case and values of a dictionary and print them. What does it mean? It means to separate them and print them. What I want here is to separate them. Let's try to separate them. We have a dictionary here. You print dict dot case. Sorry, and we also print dict dot values. Sorry, we write it wrong. Where? What is the problem? Everything is right, I think. I write the print right. Let me just delete it and see if I can fix it. Values, we have the comment here, but the print has a problem. What is the, oh sorry, I forgot to end it here. Now we have a dict of case and values. Dictionary length. Write a program that find out the length of the dictionary. How we can? We just simply print len dict. And the answer is here. Merge two dictionary with a Python program to merge two dictionary into one program. Okay, how we merge them? It's easy. Let's create another dictionary like the up one we have here. Here, and we call it dic1, name for example Ronaldo. I know it's maybe not right, but it's okay, and we need to merge them. How we call it merge, and it's equal to and okay, we have a problem here. What is the problem? It might call something back. What is the problem? I can't understand what is the problem. Let's see if the name is the problem. No, the name is not a problem. Maybe we can't just simply put two dictionary here. Okay, it's not a problem. We just create Ronaldo and then put it here, and we call it Messi, and then put it here. Then run it. Now we run it, and we have two dictionaries that we want. Write a Python program that convert the key and value of the dictionary to a list. It's really easy. We have the key and value. What we just going to do is that we are going to put a list out of them. I think the answer is the program is toList. No, is list is enough? Yes. It's converted to list. You can see it by now. The list has been created. We have two lists. And the last one is nested dictionary. Write a program, create a nested dictionary in Python. We are just going to copy that here for now and use it. It's a nested dictionary and how you write it. Okay, we are at the end of this lesson 2, but in the next lesson we are going to start our mini project. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you have any problem in the comments.